Hello friends! It's so good to be back after a very long time. Forgive me for taking such a long break. My name is Anna and I'm the person behind Discover Quilling YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show some products I have received for review. A few months ago, I received a message from bbcraft.com asking if I'm interested in a collaboration with them. I have accepted and here we are today. I received 4 items to review and I want to show them to you. I got glitter cardstock paper, quilling paper strips, flatback pearls, and precision tip applicator bottles. Have you heard about bbcraft.com? Go check their website today. Let's see what's inside. The package includes 30 bottles. The bottle holds 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of liquid. The length for the metal tip is about 1 centimeter, perfect for applying precise amounts of glue. A smaller bottle is great for projects that require more precise lines or smaller amounts. Also kid-friendly for little hands. The bottle is made of soft, flexible plastic, easy to squeeze, and can be filled with glue, glaze, paint, or other liquids. Here I have a little box with pearls of different sizes. The pearls have a flat back and can be glued on different surfaces. I'm really impressed with the quality of these pearls, and the color is really nice. I also like the little box. It is very useful to keep the pearls organized. On bbcraft.com, you'll find a variety of colors for these pearls. Here I have a package of quilling paper strips. The package has 4 sets of strips. I got them in different sizes. I have strips of 3, 5, 7 and 10 millimeters wide and 52 centimeters long. One set has 36 colors and 360 strips. So I got a lot of strips, 1,440 strips in total. The quality of the strips is remarkable, the paper is soft, and the variety of colors is great. Here I have glittered cardstock paper. The package has 36 sheets included. I like the colors very much. The paper is premium paper, smooth sparkle on one side, non-adhesive white paper on the other side. The glitter will almost never peel off. So these are the products I received from bbcraft.com for review. I'm so pleased with the products and I can honestly say they are way more than what I expected. I have already started using them and I am really impressed with the quality they have. So I highly recommend visiting their website bbcraft.com, a place where you will find so many quality products for crafting. They have some new promotion right now. You can read more about that in the description box below. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.